Hi everyone, hope you're all having a great day. Today, I want to talk to you about fruits, the right time to have fruits, the quantity in which they should be consumed, and the kind of fruits which we should eat. Fruits, as we all know, are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, which play an important role in keeping our immune system intact. They boost metabolism and they also stimulate the digestive tract. We should have only seasonal fruits which are locally produced and not go for fruits which are being imported from outside or the so-called exotic fruits, because these fruits have all been plucked unripe and they are made to ripen unnaturally. They are also sprayed with chemicals and pesticides to make them last longer, and they are quite expensive. There is a right way of consuming fruits. The best time to eat a fruit is on an empty stomach or 1 hour before a meal, never with a meal. So, when you eat your fruit on an empty stomach, the fruit gets digested and it reaches your intestine. And after that, when cooked food reaches your stomach, the stomach is clean and ready to digest this cooked food. Always eat your fruit whole, which means that you should not make juice out of your fruit unless you are unwell or not in a position to chew the fruit. This is because whole fruit contains fiber, and most of the minerals, vitamins, and enzymes get destroyed in the process of extracting juice. Juice leads to an overload of fructose in the body, which leads to high blood sugar, and uric acid levels increase in the body when we have too much of juice. Eat the fruit in its whole form to boost your immune system, to improve digestion, to prevent constipation, and also to detoxify your body. Many people feel bloated when they eat a fruit right after a meal. This is because the fruit decomposes and putrefies in the stomach and produces acid, and it loses its health benefits. Eat the fruit along with a couple of nuts like 2 almonds and 2 walnuts. Also, try to eat one fruit at a time. Excess fiber irritates the gut. Don't eat a fruit with a dried fruit like a date or a dry apricot or a dry fig, because it leads to too much of sugar in the body, so the blood sugar levels soar again. So a recapitulation is like: you eat your fruit on an empty stomach, never eat it with a meal, eat it with nuts but never with a dried fruit, never juice it unless you are sick or you have a dental issue, or if you cannot have anything else to eat. We all know that fruits are good for us, but we should not overdo fruits, because even if something is good for us, it is good for us only if it is eaten in moderation. Have a lovely fruity day. God bless and thank you.